TRAEGER. Start here. Sweet sticker. Temperature probe. Owner's manual. Step 1, get a beer. Everything appears to be good to go. All we have left to do is drop the pellets in, fire this baby up, give it a little seasoning, turn it on to high, get the WiFIRE technology activated on our smartphone, let her buck. Press dial to set temp, push ignite to start. Per the instructions, we have to finish our beer. Turns out at 3 degrees, beer doesn't last long outside. We're gonna do a 30-hour smoked brisket. So we're gonna do super smoke, 170 for 3.5 hours, 20 hours at 180. Then we're gonna cover it, do 6 more hours at 190. Cook now. We're gonna be able to manage all of this from the phone. Okay, so we're just about up to temp right now. Holding at 180. Just put it on this morning. Probe's at 67 degrees and climbing. Got the super smoke setting on. $105. Oh, I got him. Woo! This one's not quite big enough for the TRAEGER. Okay, here we are 48 hours later after we put our brisket on the smoker. We went along with our daily activities, went and skied some POW, went and did some fishing. Really the only maintenance we had to do to this was at night when we got home, we put more pellets in the hopper. But for the most part, we used a WiFIRE app and monitored the temp, watched it slowly climb up, and did a 48-hour smoke on this here brisket. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cut into this thing. We have a nice super hard crust from our long smoke. Let's see what we have on the inside here. Oop, he's coming out. There he is. Put him on the TRAEGER.